Bass fishing is a serious business. Many bass enthusiasts say bass gives a hard fight and is exciting. For this reason, they are one of the most popular fish to catch, and there are also bass fishing tournaments happening all around the year. So getting a bass fishing rod is mandatory for all anglers. Keeping that in mind, today we are giving you a list of the top 5 fishing rods for bass fishing. Let us get started. The Dobyns Fury series, introduced in 2016 by Gary Dobyns, owner of Dobyns Rods, offers anglers an affordable yet high-performance option for their bass fishing needs. Known for his dedication to producing top-notch rods, Dobyns spent over 3 years refining the Fury series. The rods feature Toray material blanks, Portuguese cork handles, Fuji reel seats, and zirconium-inserted SIC guides, ensuring a balance of sensitivity, strength, and durability. With 11 different models in the lineup, the Fury series covers a wide range of bass fishing techniques, including spinning, casting, crankbait, flipping, and swim bait. Also, each rod undergoes rigorous testing for strength, requiring it to lift between 5 to 15 pounds before being packaged, ensuring reliability for anglers of all levels. Whether you're a seasoned angler or just looking for a budget-friendly option to expand your collection, the Dobyns Fury series offers exceptional value. The Shimano SLX casting rods have been gaining popularity among bass anglers, designed with performance and durability in mind. Shimano's innovative diaflash technology prevents twisting during heavy pulls. This feature enhances the rod's pulling power, giving anglers the confidence to handle tougher fish without compromising control. The series includes a range of models, including 2 specifically designed for throwing large swim baits, which makes them versatile enough for various bass fishing techniques. Whether you're casting swim baits, flipping jigs, or working with finesse setups, the SLX Casting A rods can handle it all. The rods are equipped with titanium oxide guides, which reduce friction for smoother casts and line management. EVA split grip handles, complete with custom-etched logos, provide both comfort and a sleek design, making long fishing sessions more enjoyable. Moreover, Shimano has designed the SLX Casting series for tournament-level performance, but at a price point that won't break the bank. The Daiwa Tatula XT bass rods are a game-changer for freshwater anglers. Built with cutting-edge carbon technology, including Braiding X, high-volume fiber, and X45 bias wrap construction, these rods offer exceptional performance in a lightweight and highly sensitive package. The Braiding X technology features a low-resin, high-strength carbon weave, resulting in a rod that's both light and responsive. Then the HVF technology enhances sensitivity and lightness by using dense unidirectional graphite fibers. Meanwhile, the X45 bias wrap construction reduces blank twists and increases power by integrating a 45-degree carbon weave into the rod, making it strong, durable, and highly sensitive. The Tatula XT series also stands out with its sleek design, featuring EVA-style split grips and a custom Daiwa Tatula carbon nut reel seat. With its impressive durability, sensitivity, and modern aesthetic, the Tatula XT series offers anglers a premium experience at a competitive price, making it a top choice for those seeking advanced gear without breaking the bank. The KastKing Assegai fishing rods are designed for anglers who demand top-tier performance. Built with elite carbon blanks and nano-resin technology, these rods are engineered for serious bass anglers. The 40 million modulus graphite blank, boasting a 750 K strain rate, is lightweight and incredibly strong. Through a high-pressure rolling process, nano-resins are forced into every microspace, making the Assegai rods 5% lighter, 30% more twist-resistant, and 10% stronger than other high-end fishing rods. Moreover, the Assegai is equipped with premium Fuji K-frame guides with alkanite rings, ensuring smooth casting and exceptional line control. Then the Fuji TVS spinning and PTS casting reel seats provide superior reel security and performance. For comfort and durability, the Assegai rods feature traditional ASBA cork handles with custom EVA inserts, along with a carbon fiber fighting butt and foregrip for improved balance and reduced weight. Additionally, drop-shot style hook keepers keep gear organized and accessible. The The St. Quay Legend Tournament Bass Casting Rod represents the latest innovation in the renowned Legend series, crafted with input from dedicated anglers. This updated model features SCIV plus carbon fiber. The rod is also packed with advanced technologies like the fortified resin system for increased durability, advanced reinforcing technology for extra strength without added weight, and the integrated poly-curve mandrel technology for smoother action. The taper enhancement technology refines the blank design, improving sensitivity and casting precision. Moreover, the Legend Tournament base is equipped with premium Fuji K-Series tangle-free guides with alkanite rings, providing smooth line flow and reduced friction. The casting models come with a Fuji SK2 reel seat, while the spinning models feature a Fuji VSS reel seat for ultimate comfort and control. So that was our list of top 5 fishing rods for bass fishing. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section and share this video if you find it helpful. And to learn more about angling products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit and subscribe to our channel.